Hello all and welcome to today's video, and today I want to talk to you about 4 different ways that you can create semi-passive income streams with virtually $0. That's right, I want to give you 4 ideas that you can use to make semi-passive income that you do not have to invest any money in to get them going and off the ground. I'm doing this video because I know that there are some people out there that, as hard as they work, they are living paycheck to paycheck and struggling to make ends meet. So I wanted to give you guys a few ideas that you can use to start making semi-passive income without having to invest any money. Before we get into the topic, I want to talk to you about a tool that I have used for my YouTube channel since I started. I have used it since the very beginning because it is such a great tool to help you. I put together a quick video that talks about it. There is a link down in my description. It is called TubeBuddy, and if you have a YouTube channel, this is a great tool that you should jump onto. So here's a quick video on it.
Whether you're looking to improve an existing YouTube channel or you're starting out fresh, TubeBuddy can help. This Google Chrome extension is a safe, convenient way to grow your following. SEO tools help you choose keywords to maximize visibility, while analytics give you precise insights into your channel's progress. You can edit thumbnails and descriptions en masse, or post videos to your Facebook without having to leave the site. It can even audit your content to help prevent devastating demonetization. You can try TubeBuddy for free, but some features require a monthly subscription. Click the link below to learn more.
If you are starting out on TubeBuddy, this is something that you can use for absolutely free. And then as you are growing your YouTube channel, you can get better and more tools if you decide to go that route with a monthly subscription. There are different levels, as you saw in the video. I do want to say that I do make a small commission off of TubeBuddy if you do purchase it, but this is something that you can use for absolutely free, and it is a tool that I use every time I post a video to YouTube. So go check it out. There's a link in my description to go grab it, and it is a great tool that you guys can use. So with that, let's get into the topic. The first thing I want to say is, when I first started talking to you about semi-passive income, I told you that you had to invest one of 2 or both things, and this was either your dollars or this was your time. It takes money or it takes time to get your semi-passive income business off of the ground. If you decide not to invest any money up front, that is completely understandable, and it is something that can be done. The one thing I will say about it, though, is it will take you longer to get your business off the ground. Typically, if all you're investing is your time and effort and you are not putting any money into it. So these 4 ideas I'm going to talk to you about are ideas that you can use to start your semi-passive income business without any money. Just keep in mind, though, that it is going to take you a lot of effort and a lot of time if you do not invest any money into it to get it off the ground. There is no get-rich-quick scheme when it comes to building semi-passive income. And if you choose not to invest any money, just understand that it's going to take a lot more time. The first one I want to talk to you about is actually writing a book. And this is something that pretty much anybody can do, believe it or not. If you have something that you are very familiar with or very passionate about, and you have experience in it, and you can tell people how to do it, this is something that you can write a book on. On the flip side of that, if you're a really creative person and you're really good at coming up with and writing stories, this is another way that you can create a book to sell to people, and that is very easy to do. I published a book about almost 2 years ago in December of 2020. It was on a topic that I was not familiar with, and it was on something that I was very interested in, and I created a book. It is a short book. It is only about 63 pages long, and I published it through Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP makes it very simple for people to self-publish. In the past, when you wanted to write a book, you had to write it out. You had to get a hold of a publisher. You had to have them approve it, and then they would create the actual paper book for you to sell. Today, it doesn't work like that. Today, you can jump onto Amazon KDP and you can actually publish a book yourself, and you do not have to invest any money into it. You have to invest the time to actually write the book out, and you have to invest the effort to get your book in front of people to buy it, but you don't have to pay any money out of your pocket. The book that I wrote, I actually did pay somebody on Fiverr to edit it because I wrote all the content out, but I am not a professional writer, so I paid somebody $50 to edit the book. I created the cover myself, I created the content myself, I created the outline, I wrote everything out, and then I had somebody just go through and edit it and make sure that it was in good reading condition. So you don't have to do that, and you can do it. You can publish the book without actually investing any money even into editing. But Amazon KDP is a great way to get a book out in front of people. I did not really promote the book that I wrote, and it took me probably about a year, and I made back that $50 that I invested into it up front. And then after that, everything else that the book generates for me, dollars-wise, all of that is pure profit. And again, with semi-passive income, I've talked to you about the fact that if you put the effort in now, you can create something that will continue providing you revenue over time, and you never have to do that work again. My book is still on Amazon. I am still getting monthly commissions on it, and I don't have to do anything at all. Although it's not a large amount because I didn't really promote it, it's still extra money that I earn, and I don't have to do anything every month to make sure that that money's coming in. Another one that you can get started for absolutely free is a blog. A blog is a great place for you to put content out, and you can promote products or services. You can also promote affiliate products, and you can put ads in your blogs that are going to help you generate income. Obviously, if you are writing a blog, I've talked about it in other videos, you have to create content on a regular basis, and you have to be consistently putting the content out for people to get to. But you can create a blog for absolutely free, and there's platforms like Microsoft has a blog that you can actually create the blog for absolutely free, and you don't have to pay for it. And it is something that you can do and not invest any money in. Again, if you do something like this, it is going to take a very long time for people to start coming to your blog, because you have to organically grow it from nothing and create something out of it. If you're not promoting it with dollars, you have got to go out there and find the people to come to your blog. So you're going to have to put a lot of time and effort into building your network on the blog. The third thing I want to talk about is a YouTube channel. YouTube has made it so very easy for people to start making semi-passive income. If you want to get in front of a camera and you want to talk about stuff that you know about, YouTube is a great platform because it is a channel is a platform that you can post videos for absolutely free. The great thing about YouTube also is it is a search engine. So if you create videos and you create a good title, you create good tags, and you put good keywords into your description and on your channel, you can actually organically grow a channel from absolutely nothing, and you can build a channel that will make you some money. Again, I've talked about it in other videos. I started this particular YouTube channel on the premise that I had nothing. I didn't have an email list. I had no social media. I had no network to tap into to start getting people to come to my YouTube channel. What did I do? I did the things that I just alluded to. I create content on a consistent basis, and I also use the tools in TubeBuddy that will help me bring people to my YouTube channel. Tags are very important. Descriptions are very important. Titles are very important. Thumbnails are very important. If you get the content out there on YouTube the right way, people will naturally find you on YouTube. And then once you build a YouTube channel, you can make money a lot of different ways. You can sell tools to use. You can do it through affiliate programs like I do on my YouTube channel. There's a few great tools that I have in my arsenal. In my descriptions, I put different tools that I use that some of them help me generate some income. Another thing that you can do is once you hit 1,000 subscribers and you hit 4,000 hours of watch time, YouTube will actually pay you to put ads onto your videos that you put out. So there are a lot of different ways that you can build your YouTube channel and build streams of income on it. So a YouTube channel might be a great avenue for you to go if you are okay getting in front of a camera. If you're not sure, I would suggest try it. I'd never been in front of a camera putting videos together before I started my first YouTube channel, and guess what? I found out that I really enjoy it. So maybe think of this as an idea for you to start building a stream of semi-passive income too. The fourth and the last thing I want to talk about is creating a course. I actually did a video on my semi-passive income playlist that talks to you about how easy you can create a course from the content that you put out on no matter what platform you're on. A course is a great way that you can earn some semi-passive income. There's courses that'll make as little as $50 a shot, and there's other courses that people are selling for thousands of dollars. If you have the tools, if you have the skills, if you have the experience, and you have the content, you can put together a course very easy, and then you can sell that course to people so that they can learn how to do what it is that you know. So think about a digital course, and this is another free way that you can build income if you do it the right way. So again, to recap, the 4 ways that I talked about making some semi-passive income and not investing any money into it is, number 1, write a book. Throw it up on Amazon KDP and get out there and start promoting it on social media. You can also do a blog, which works very similar to a book in that you need to get people to come to your blog to read what you're writing and start building a following. The third thing is create a YouTube channel. Use YouTube as a tool to get your message out and to start selling to people. And then finally, the fourth thing I talked about was creating a digital course, because this is a great way that you can make some semi-passive income and not invest any money up front. So I really hope that you got a lot out of today's video. There are different ways that you can create streams of income that don't take any money out of your pocket. So if you're struggling to come up with money to invest into your semi-passive income business, these might be great tools that you can use to build it from nothing and start making some income so that you can get into other things that you want to do that might take you some money to invest. So with that, I'm going to say I hope that you are out there getting the money that you and your family deserve. Don't forget, if you're interested in doing a YouTube channel, check out TubeBuddy. There's a link in my description. It is a great tool that you can use to help you grow your YouTube channel faster than if you didn't use it. And with that, I'm going to say thanks.